Hello everyone, it's Frank with Moroso Performance and welcome to another edition of Moroso TV. Today we're going to spend a few minutes talking about S10 roll bars and why we put an eyebrow bar in the kit rather than a halo bar. We make these kits in 8, 10, and 12 point versions and we're going to go over a couple of the features and benefits. For most applications we offer an 8 point, a 10 point, and a 12 point. This particular one is a 10 point for an S10. We tacked it together so you can see what it looks like when it would be welded into the cap. So what we've done is we've tacked it all together. This is your main hoop. This is your right side A-pillar strut. That is your left side A-pillar strut. We do mark right and left so you can't get them confused. The bottom bar is your dash bar, and then the top bar is what we call an eyebrow bar rather than a halo bar. In most kits you have a halo bar, which is a U-shaped bar that welds to the top of the main hoop and follows the perimeter of the cab or the interior of the car. We use an eyebrow bar because in an S10, the inside is a little cramped, a little tight, so you get a little bit more room after the roll bar is installed with an eyebrow bar rather than a halo bar. And you can see from the bend radius on the main hoop compared to the weld joint on an eyebrow bar how much more room you would have. So Moroso Performance sells its chassis components under our sister company called Competition Engineering, or CE as it's known in the industry. And when you're buying a roll bar from Competition Engineering, remember it's a 2-part number system. All the bent bars that are bent specifically for that vehicle are 1-part number, and all the straight bars, or the strut kit as we call it, is a 2nd-part number. So it's a 2-part number system unless otherwise specified, because we do have a couple of kits that are 1-part number, but the majority of our kits are a 2-part number system. So thanks for tuning in to this edition of Moroso TV. We hope this helped. If you have any other questions, you can get in contact with our tech department. And be sure to follow us on social media at Moroso Performance.